This is my video review of this 3/4 inch brad point auger bit. I've got it chucked in my drill press and I'm going to drill through the end grain of this pine, and you can probably see here that there's a knot going through there to make it just a little bit more challenging. And let's see how it goes. I'm putting very little pressure on this. Seems to be going through just fine, but let's go down a little further. Very little pressure required. That is a nice clean hole. And you can see it's got a nice flat bottom. 5 stars from me.